We're making fried okra with potatoes. We have 2 pounds of okra, we have 1 large potato, we have a little piece of saltfish, we have a quarter onion, 1 small Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 clove of garlic grated. We're going to show you how we cut the okra. Cut off the top and we slice it. The saltfish was soaked for 10 minutes and then dried. So we're gonna cut the onion. So we peeled it, cut it in half, and we're cutting the potato into really thin slices. So we have 3 tablespoons of hot oil in here, and we're gonna put the saltfish in. And frying it for 2 minutes. We're adding the onion, the garlic, and the pepper. The potatoes. We're gonna cover it and put the heat on low. This is how it looks like after 5 minutes of frying. And we're gonna put the okra in it now. We didn't add any salt. And when it's done cooking, we'll taste it and see if it needs salt, but the saltfish already has salt. So we tried it and it doesn't have enough salt, so we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the okra. It's been cooking for 15 minutes so far. It's been cooking for 25 minutes. The okra and the potatoes are soft and it's all done. Really, really good.